Trustworthy. We know that trust is a priority anytime you allow someone access to your vacation rental. After all, your home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. We're ready to earn that trust. Thomas Beach Vacations has a professional, friendly, in-house maintenance team that will become like family. They are on call 24/7. As a part of this continued effort to better serve you, the homeowner, Thomas Beach Vacations provides a number of maintenance services, such as pest control, regular off-season walkthrough inspections, and annual preventative maintenance evaluations to make sure your rental home is up to par year-round. Since we know being a long-distance owner can be problematic, if you supply the parts, our maintenance team will provide general maintenance repairs under a half hour at no charge. Change vacuum bags, AC filters, and standard light bulbs. Offer key duplications when needed, and in case of emergencies, perform pre- and post-storm evaluations. You can trust us on this. We'll make handling your home away from home a breeze.